When it comes to buying new construction in BeachWalk here in Englewood, Florida, especially when it's time to negotiate with the builder, having a real estate agent on your side makes a real difference. I like to explain it this way. Hiring a real estate agent to negotiate with a builder is like hiring a lawyer to speak to another lawyer. You can try to go it alone, but when the other side does this every single day, you're putting yourself at a disadvantage. Builders have professional sales teams who know their pricing, incentives, and margins inside and out. Without representation, you're negotiating against someone whose job it is to protect the builder's bottom line. What makes BeachWalk particularly interesting right now is that resale homes in the community are selling for tens of thousands less than what many buyers paid just last year, which leads a lot of people to ask how the builder can still be charging higher prices. The reality is, they aren't if you know how to negotiate properly. Builders don't usually advertise their flexibility, and instead of publicly lowering base prices, they often work through incentives like price adjustments, upgrade credits, closing cost contributions, lot premium reductions, or financing incentives that don't always show up on the sticker price. This is where having an experienced agent matters. My role is to bring real data to the table by showing you what the builder has sold the same model for in the past, what that model is reselling for today, and how pricing compares with different upgrade levels, with or without a pool, and across different lot types. We negotiate based on facts, not emotions, with the goal of protecting you from overpaying and making sure any incentives truly benefit you. And the best part is that the builder pays my commission, not you. If you're thinking about building or buying in BeachWalk, having someone who understands the numbers, the history, and where real leverage exists can make all the difference in helping you buy smart and negotiate confidently.
Today we're in BeachWalk looking at the Prestige model. There's a few of these for resale in here right now for around the low 700s. Let's take a look at what the model looks like here. We have a nice front porch. It's around 2,000 square foot. This one has a nice glass door, which brings a lot of light right to the front. To the right here, we have our first bedroom ensuite with a full bath. Take note that accent walls are an upgrade. Hurricane impact windows and doors. Very tall ceilings, 12 feet. It's a nice grand entrance. There's probably 4 foot here in the hallway, side to side. We have a closet for your coats. We have a 4-inch crown. Off to the left here, we have a laundry room and a guest bath. This is your den or office here. And this one has quite a large picture window, which is another upgrade, and has a full closet. Could be considered a bedroom. Here's a giant cleaning closet or storage closet. You have an open dining, living, kitchen space here. And this looks to be level 5 KitchenAid appliances. This is a gas community. Spacious pantry here, and they did it right where the door opens all the way into the pantry. I just sold this with level 4 upgrades on a preserved view. It was a resale for low 700s. with a pool. It looks exactly like this, except for we had a few more accent walls in ours. This is the owner's suite here. Nice spacious walk-in closet. And again, the resale I just sold in here, this is the owner's bath. They paid around $835 when they purchased it a year and a half ago. They're competing with the builder today who's lowered their prices, but they still are quoting people $818, $820s. So somebody like me can definitely negotiate a way better price with the builder because I know what these things actually sell for. And nobody wants to buy a brand new house that sells for less and they just drive off the lot and lose all that value. This pool's got to be at least 5.5 feet deep at the deep end here. And that's the prestige model here at BeachWalk. Give me a call for more information on this and other beautiful homes here in Wellen Park. 361-815-3193.